How to install iOS 16 beta on supported iPhones. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the latest iOS 16 beta on your supported iPhone devices. Now, the devices which are supported will show up on your screen right now. And if I remember correctly, you do need to have an iPhone 8 or above for you to play around with the latest iOS 16 beta. This here is the iPhone 12 mini. Now, a few important things to note before you start installing the beta software are: one, make sure your battery is charged. Do not do this process if your battery is at 10 or 20%. Also, make sure you have taken a backup of all the important things on your device. You can also take a backup on the iCloud or on your MacBooks. Next thing, this is beta software. So if your phone is your daily driver, your business phone, you do not want any missed calls, any issues with the device, then Apple does recommend that you stay away from beta software. Those things out of the way, let us go ahead and see how you can install the latest iOS 16 beta on supported iPhones. So here it is. Let us go into settings, then we can go into general, and if I go into the about page, you will notice that right now I am running iOS 15.3. Next thing we need to do is we are going to open the Safari browser, and herein you need to go to the website which is beta.apple.com. So type that in and then we are going to say go. You will be greeted with this page. Herein, as you can see, we have iOS 16, we have iPad OS 16, Mac OS Ventura, and the other latest operating systems. Now, once you are on this page, you can scroll down and you have two options. Either you can sign in with your Apple ID, or if you want to create a new Apple ID, then you can sign up. Now, I'm pretty sure you already have an Apple ID, so we are going to select sign in. And as you can see, it already detected my Apple ID, and all I need to select over here is continue with password. And once you have entered your password, you're going to say continue. Next thing we need to do is we need to agree to Apple's agreement about beta software, and feel free to read it. But again, the warning is that you should not install the beta software on your production or business critical system. They strongly recommend installing beta software on a secondary system or device, on a secondary partition on your Mac, or if it is your primary iPhone, they do recommend you not to do it, and we are going to say accept over here. Next thing, you will land on this page called guide for public betas, and as you can see, you can switch between the different options. So we are trying to install iOS 16 public beta, so make sure that iOS is selected. Once that is done, you can scroll down and move over to the get started section. Herein, what you need to do is you need to select enroll your iOS device. Now once you are on this page, they do tell you to take a backup of your current iOS, and if you want to do so, feel free to do so. But for us, we are going to scroll down and reach the second section, which is install profile. So herein we need to select download profile. And as you can see, it is giving us a warning that the website is trying to download a configuration profile. Do you want to allow this? We are going to say allow. Now the profile has been downloaded. We can go ahead and select close. Next thing we can do is we can head over to our home screen. Then we can go into the settings section, and once you're in settings, go back to the main page of settings. You will see something called profile download. Select this option, and then on the top right you see the option for install. We are going to select install, scroll down over here, and we are going to say install one more time and select install once again. It is telling me that a restart is required, so now we are going to restart our device. And if it asks you for your passcode when you select install, make sure to enter the correct passcode. Now once the device has restarted or rebooted, we will go back into settings. Once you're in settings, make sure you're on the main page. Herein you will have to go into the option of general. And once you are in general, you will go into the software update section. It is going to check for an update. Here it is. iOS 16 public beta is available. Of course, you do need an active internet connection, and as you can see, the size is 5.12 GB. All you need to do next is say download and install, and of course, the process will take some time, so you have to be patient. And another important thing to note over here is that once the process has started, it will show up here on this very page of the software update, and it is telling me that around 2 minutes are remaining. Now, once the file has been downloaded successfully, the message will change to preparing update. Now, once the preparing part has finished successfully, the progress bar will change to downloaded, and you will get the option of install now, and that is what we are going to select. As you can see, it is now verifying the update. Now, once the verify process finished, the device rebooted on its own. And there it is. As you can see, we now have the Apple logo along with the progress bar, which means that the iOS 16 public beta is being installed on this iPhone. Again, this process will take some time, so you have to be patient. Now, once the process finished successfully, we are on this screen which is telling us hello in different languages. Let us try to unlock our device. It is telling me that the software update is now complete. I can click on continue, and it wants me to set up a Face ID. I'm going to tell it set it up later, and if you want to add a passcode, you can do that as well, or if you want to skip it, you can skip it for now. I'm going to select do not use passcode. It is telling me about iCloud Drive and other things. I'm just going to say continue. For the analytics, do not share anything right now. Let us go into settings, and then we can go into the general section, and here, and if I go into about, here it is. I am now running iOS 16, and there it is, peeps. That is how you install the latest iOS 16 beta on your supported iPhones. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.